Hi friends, we're on Module 5, Lesson 4. And today what we're going to be doing is we are going to be subtracting using the arrow way. I need you to have your dry erase board, your marker, and your sock. Okay, the first thing I want you to do is just to write this problem. 450 minus 200. We're going to solve that the arrow way. So if you remember, what we need to do is we start with the number 450. And we just subtract 200, right? So I'm going to draw my arrow, my minus 200. And what do we get? Well, if you remember from yesterday's lesson, we have 4 hundredths minus 2 hundredths equals 2 hundredths, and then we add those tens and ones back in. So that's 250. Okay. I want you to look at this second one right here. What's the difference between 200 and 210? Yeah, the difference is 10. We're subtracting 10 more. So how would we do this here? Well, we would subtract 450 minus the 200, and then we're going to take away, you guessed it, 10. And what do we get? 240. Okay. So now we're going to look at this problem. 450 minus 250. What's the difference between this one and this one? 40 is the difference. For this one, we had 210, and then we subtracted 250. So we have to take away another 40. So my arrow way would be here, minus 40. And what does it equal? That's right, 200. Okay, so now I have to look at my last one. What's the difference between 250 and 260? Difference is 10. So I have to subtract my 10. And what am I going to get as my answer? You got it. We're going to get 190. So this is kind of messy up here. Below, you're going to see this much neater. But I want you to look, okay? So this first one we subtracted was 200, and that's the same as this one. And we got 250. And then we subtracted 10 because this next one, the difference between the two was 10, and that's when we got 240. And then the next one, we subtracted 40 because the difference between 210 and 250 was 40, and we got 200. And then this one, we had to subtract 10 because the difference between 250 and 260 is 10, so we get 190. And that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be getting a list of numbers like this, and the first one's going to be like really easy, where you're just going to be subtracting hundreds, and then the next one and the next one, we're going to have it where we're going to be subtracting more tens and ones. Okay, erase your board. This time I want you to flip over, and I want you to show me 780 with the place value discs. All right, so if you look over here, there's my 780. Now, this first one is 780 minus 300. Well, how can we do that? It's easy. Cross out 3. What do we get? What do we have left? We have 480. Okay. Now it's saying to take away 80 more. Right here. So we're going to take 80 more away. Here's 5, 6, 7, 8. Now what do we get? 400. How many more do we need to take away? We have to look at this third one. What's the difference between 380 and 390? It's 10. There's a 10 difference. So we have to take away another 10. But remember, you got to unbundle. Okay, and we're going to do 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. And I'm going to take 1 10 away. What do I get as my answer? 100, 200, 300, 9 tens, and 0 ones. So you could see that we could do this on the place value chart just as easy as we can when we do it the arrow way. Today we're really going to just practice the arrow way because that's what we're going to be doing in our problem set. So it's your turn now, okay? I want you to look at 780 minus 300. Let's do this one first, okay? 780 and we're going to subtract 300. Don't forget to put your arrow underneath. And what do we get? Well, here's our 7, here's our 3. If we have 700s and we take away 300s, we get what? 400. So our answer is 480. Okay, so now we have to look at this one. What is the difference between 300 and 380? 80. So we have to take away another 80. And what do we get as our answer? 400. Okay, now this one, we are going to take away how many? What's the difference between 380 and 390? Yep, it is 10. So we're going to have 10. So let me just make sure I did that right. Okay, arrow away, minus 10. And what do we get as our answer? 390. Okay, so now it's going to be your turn. You're going to write your answers on your boards and just wait for me to go over it, okay? So the first one is 400 minus 200. Solve that the arrow way. Okay, so you should have written 400 minus 200 and had your arrow, and it's simply 200. Okay, now we have 440 minus 200. Okay, so we have 440 minus 200. Remember, we're only taking from the hundredths place because there's no tens and ones to take away. So it's just 4 minus 2, which is 240. Okay, the next one, 440 minus 240. So you have 440 minus 200 is 240. Okay, and then we have to minus that 40. Right here, we minus the 200. Now we have to do the tens and the ones. Minus 40. And we get 200. All right. There's one more. You can't really see it, but it's 440 minus 260. Well, I'm going to build off of this one. I ended with 440 minus 240. What's the difference between 240 and 260? It's 20. There's 20 different. So my answer was 200. So I'm going to just go again with my arrow. And I'm going to subtract 20. And then I will get 180 as my answer. And that's all we're going to be doing today. So if you look at your problem set, it's showing you each one is a little different. So we're going to do the first one together, okay? 570. Oops. Minus 200. Now we're not taking any tens or ones, so that means that all we have to do is take away from the hundreds. So it's 5 minus 2, get 370. Okay, let's look at the next one. 570 minus 270. The difference between these are 70, so you're going to be taking away that 200, then you're going to take away the 72. So it's 570 minus 200. I know it's going to get a little cramped and crowded in here, so you're going to really have to write neat. Okay, that equals 370. And then we have to take away the 70 still, right here. Minus, 70 equals 300. And that's it. You could do the next one on your own. That's all we're doing today. Just take it slow and do one at a time. So for A, B, and C, and D, it's the same. And then when you get to number 2, you can solve these in your head if you can. If you need to use the arrow way, do it. If you need to use scratch paper and you'd rather use the place value chart, that's fine too. Any way you can solve them. And then for the rest of it, you're going to be kind of converting these. So 88 tens minus 20 tens. You have to decide what 88 tens is minus 20 tens. My hint when I do these is I write the number that it represents right down here. All right, well, I will see you at group.